Meaning of dog biscuit.
Dog biscuit.
Dog biscuit.
Dog biscuit.
Dog biscuit. A dog biscuit is a type of treat or snack that is specifically made for dogs. It is usually a dry, crunchy treat that comes in a variety of shapes and flavors. Dog biscuits are often used as rewards during training or as a way to supplement a dog's diet. They can help promote healthy teeth and gums, as well as provide additional nutrients like protein and fiber. Overall, dog biscuits are a popular and convenient way for pet owners to show their furry friends some love and care.